create a new package, demo 3. Let's create a class main with VSVM. Let's declare a variable here, public int count equal to 0. Let's create a method to increment this count, public void increment and count plus. Okay, let's make them static for simplicity to access with from a static method, that is main static. And let's create two threads, thread t1 equal to new thread, and we can make a thread using anonymous class runnable and implementing the void run method, public void run, and here we will call the increment method for, let's say, 10,000 time. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10,000 I plus plus, and let's call the increment method. Let's create another thread t2 which will be doing the same work, t2. Let's start both threads, t1 dot start, t2 dot start. Let's wait for both threads to complete its execution, t2 dot join, and print the value of count after their execution. Value of count is plus count. So let's see, there is an exception surrounded with try catch block. Let's put both join in a single block. Let's run this. The value is 51686, but we are incrementing the value of count for 10,000 plus 10,000 time, so it should be 20,000, but the value is 5686. Why so? Let's run it one more time, and the value is different, but not exactly the value we were expecting, and this is generating random values. Why it is happening like that? Because when the first thread is accessing the increment method, at the same time thread 2 is also trying to access the increment method. Thread 1 gets the value of count at 100. It makes its value to 101, but thread 2 also gets the value of 101, and while thread 1 is updating its value, thread 2 also updates its value to 101, which is not giving us the answer we are expecting. We can resolve this by using synchronized keyword. Synchronized. When a method or an object is synchronized, only one thread can access it at a time. So when thread 1 is updating its value, thread 2 cannot access this count. When thread 2 is updating its value, thread 1 cannot access this count. So when this has completed its work, this gets to access this. So let's see what is the answer. 20,000. Perfect. Let's run it few more times, and it's giving the same value every time. So that's how we use synchronized keyword. Thank you. Bye bye.